Here is question from J 2019 from electrostatics, and this question is given that a uniformly charged ring of radius 3a and total charge q is placed on xy plane centered at origin. A point charge q is moving towards the ring along the z-axis, has speed u at z equal to 4a. The minimum value of u such that it crosses the origin will be equal to 4 options are given. So let's solve this question. From the given information of the question, for crossing the origin, using conservation of mechanical energy, we can write initial potential energy plus initial kinetic energy will be equal to final potential energy plus final kinetic energy. So from this equation we can write the initial potential energy is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon, because potential energy is here is the electrostatic potential energy of the initial situation. So here initial potential energy will be 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square divided by the distance. Now the distance is equal to 4a square whole square plus 3a whole square, because from the given data the radius of the ring is equal to 3a and the distance on the axis is equal to 4a. So our ultimate total distance from the ring element will be equal to under root 4a square plus 3a square, and its initial kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, and its final potential energy is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square divided by under root 0 square plus 3a whole square, because this potential energy appears when the point charge reaches the origin. At the origin the distance or x or z will be equal to 0. That's why we substitute here the value of z equal to 0 here, and its kinetic energy will become 0, because there is no motion or no velocity of the point charges at this point or at the center. So from this equation we can write 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square divided by 5a plus half mv square will be equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square divided by 3a plus 0. So from this equation we can again write half mv square will be equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by 3a minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by 5a. So from this expression, as we can take common as 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into in numerator q square is again common, and a in denominator a is again common. So after taking all these common terms, we can write the remaining term will be 1 minus 1/3 minus 1/5. So after calculating, this value will be equal to 2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by 15a. So here we are finding half mv square is equal to 2q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 15a. So from this calculation, we can write the v square, value of v square as v square equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by 4 q square divided by 15 am. Now if you want to find the value of velocity, v will be equal to under root 4 divided by 15 into 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square divided by ma. Now our option is matching with 4 divided by 15 with option A. So our correct option is, therefore we can write correct option is option A.